Hi guys, my name is Iggy Velez, right? And I'm here to share with you what I do throughout the week. Right now I'm working on a logo for a veterans company, and what they wanted me to do was create a logo with an American eagle on it. So I went along and tried just sketch. This is from my sketchbook. This is from my sketchbook, as you can see here. So I did a drawing of the eagle, and then I watercolored it. Then I scanned it in to Photoshop, and then I vectorized it, created a complete black silhouette, and then I brought it into Illustrator and I created this design. This is just a preliminary logo design with the American flag. It's sort of my idea, sort of the thing that came up based on what they wanted. They wanted something serious. So this is what I came up with. I will put the logo here based if if we go along with the design. So I just want to share with you what I'm doing, and if you need any type of design work, logos, labels, web graphics, any of that stuff, you can contact me. My name is Iggy Velez, 305-795-0086, or you can email me at iggyarts, IGGYARTS@gmail.com, and we'll work together. You give me the idea, you give me a brief of what you want, and we can make your idea a reality.